cloud is an amazing tool, right? It's about how you use it. I think like with every other technology, it can either be used in a good sense, or it can be by putting too many restrictions, by not utilizing it properly, we can also then be exposed to a lot of risk in it. If I look at the cloud, I think the amazing part about it is it makes your cost variable, right? So I think that is fantastic. Now, but at the same time, if you don't control that cost, and if you're not on top of it as to how do you utilize the cloud effectively, you'll soon find your variable cost is much more than what your fixed cost used to be earlier, right? So, but if you have the right guardrails, you understand, this again goes back to what we were speaking about understanding the technology enough, right? If you understand the technology enough, then you can put the right guardrails around that technology to say that, yes, this makes sense, but with 1, 2, 3, 4 caveats. The same with, privacy on the cloud, the same with, the contractual obligations that you go through in a cloud contract. I think it's all about understanding it, but I don't see any reason why it should not be used if it has the right guardrails in.